Hello, welcome to Birdlanders Outdoors. We're here at the Great Miami River by Highway 27, about ready to put in our two-person kayak and do some fishing. Here's where we put in at. All right, let's get going and see how this goes.
All right, we just put in. Nice slow river. But we got some spots we like to fish. We always do really well. And one of them is this sandbar right up here. Even though we just put in, we've always had really good luck.
We went to Kroger's to the seafood department and got fresh shrimp. And we brought some corn.
That shrimp from Kroger's is the best shrimp. Something about their shrimp, I don't know. I know it says previously frozen, but if you buy bags of frozen shrimp, they don't stay on the hook well, and they just don't hit it as good. They'll hit it, but they're just not as good. All right, we'll see when we get up here to this bank.
Go.
This is the 126 bridge, Cincinnati Brookville Road. Ain't had no luck yet. We're gonna try right down here. Beautiful day out, just ain't getting no bites.
Well, we stopped off for a couple minutes to try this area, but we're not doing much good today. I don't know what's going on. All we can do is keep trying. At least we ran into a couple kayakers.
They said they paddled in from Hamilton Dam. Said it's 9 miles from there to here.
Go.
That's a nice fish right there.
Here we go.
Oh no. Oh, he got loose.
Oh,
Oh man. That was probably a 5-10 pounder. Jeez. Criminy. They're here. They're here.
they're here.
Couldn't get him in. Dang.
Well, we got one.
The first one got away, but there's a little dude. Yep. We'll put him back. We don't keep him.